Yeah, hello guys. Today we'll be having our analysis on XLM. All right. So looking at the chart, this is our weekly chart. So I'm going to start by having our order blocks drawn. Yes. Yeah. So there's a very small red candle before that bullish act. Yeah. So this is our order block here, and then uh, this is also another order block. Another effective order block here. This red candle here. Okay, let me delete this green box. Okay, and this is also another order block. Okay, so these are the key point or key levels we are looking at for now. So it was at this point that the market turned bearish. So if you look at the chart, this is a higher high here on the chart, but on the RSI we had a lower low. So it was at this point that the market intended to go lower or to go bear. All right. So the market came down, took out this low, and remember the market didn't close low, so it violated it. That is the reason why we have this fake pump here. Okay, that's the reason why we have this fake pump here. The market came down, violated this particular order block, and then it came down to violate another this other block too. Right. So right now this is what the market is doing until the market take breaks above this high, this level. I'm coming. So at the moment, from all indications, we see that the market is bearish and still wants to go lower. The market will only turn bullish. The market will only turn bullish if this particular level is breached. I will change the color. Let me change the color to green. Okay, yes. So mind you, well, before there was a low here, another low here, and these stops, another stop here. There were stops also below this level. So it was from this green candle that the market dropped down to take out these lows. So obviously, this particular green candle becomes a valid order block. Okay, so if for anything, the market is likely to reach or get to that level and then drop down. And that is exactly what it did. When the market dropped down, it came up here to retest it, and then kept and then continued drawing, coming down lower. All right. So we have our indication that the market still wants to go down. All right. So if the market goes above this order block, the green candle, if it goes above this order block, or it violates it, it will come down, then move up. That's the only time the market will become bullish. So once the chart is below this order block, we are seeing the market to be bearish, still bearish now. All right, so let's go to our daily chart and see what is going on the daily. Sorry, can you plug it for me? Let's go to our daily and see what is going on. I'm plugging the laptop to it. Yeah. Okay. So this is our daily chart. Okay, let me zoom out a little for you. All right. So let me shorten this one. So on a daily, this particular small red candle is our valid order block. So this is what it means. If definitely what, because this is an order block, there were highs here. There was another high here. If we should close up, you will find out that it was from this particular red candle that there were highs here, there were another highs here, other stops here that were resting here, there were stops here, there are stops here as well. So this particular order block becomes a valid order block because it was from this particular red candle, yeah, from this red candle, uh, then printed this big green candle that took out these stops. So this is a particular red order block. So obviously the market is likely to come and retest the order block and then move higher. But in case it doesn't move higher, if the market should violate this order block, meaning if the market should pierce down, we have a hairy line here, but it doesn't close below this order block, there will be a fake pump and then continue drawing, coming down more. So this particular order block is the point we have to look at now for XLM. If the market goes beyond this order block, then XLM will be heading down more. XLM will be heading down more. Let's go on to our weekly and find out what is likely to be the next stop for XLM. All right. Okay. So if the market should go below this particular green box, it gives us an indication that XLM wants to drop down lower. If it doesn't close below it, there will be any pump higher will be a fake pump, and then the market will continue drawing down because there are stops here to be cleared. Let me use our brush tool. This is a stop, and then this is another stop here. So you see they are on the same level. So the market will obviously come and then clear those stops. All right, this is another double bottom here, a very small one. Let me draw a line. Yeah. So they are stops lowering. They are stop laying down below these levels. So the market is likely to come and take out these stops. The market is likely to come and take out these stops because that's what the markets make always that. They make sure they take out stops before any major movement to the opposite direction. So there are stops here that are likely to be cleared. So this level, the green box is a level to look at. If the market closes below, it will retest it as a breaker and then continue drop down to take out these stops. to take out these stops. So this is the level I expect after taking out these stops. This particular this level, the market is likely to come to this level. Why? Because there is an order block here and there's a liquidity void. So in the long run, I'm expecting XLM. Let me use our horizontal line. I'm expecting XLM to touch 0.05, and then this next level I'm looking for XLM is to retest this low here, to retest this low here at 0.02. And then if there's so much volatility, I expect XLM to get to this level. Why? If I should use the Fibonacci tool here, if we should project our Fibonacci tool, the 1.61 level goes into the negatives, right? Goes into the negative. So the best to do is to project maybe on the same level as this low. Yeah. So these are the three levels I'm expecting XLM to get to. The 0.0115 level is not very likely, but at least XLM will go to 0.0513 levels. The next stop will be 0.0299 level. And if there is so much volatility, maybe we can drop down to the third level, which is the 0.0115 levels. Yeah. So this is my analysis. In fact, this is not financial advice. But this is what I think SLM is likely to do. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please kindly do so to support the channel. Thanks a lot for staying. Maybe you can, this is not financial advice, but maybe you can pay attention to the charts. Let's see how the market plays out for XLM. Thank you very much and have a good evening. Have a nice evening.